Good morning, sir. It's great to
Good
have you
morning.
here. Yes, so today we welcome our esteemed guest, Mr. Arun Chaturvedi. He's the COO at Mindworks, Chief Operating Officer, and he's one of the alumni of IIM at Ahmedabad and has been traveling with Mindworks over the last 8 years, filling in the shoes of Vice President and the COO. So, hello, sir. It is great to have you on our channel.
Thank you for inviting Rigved, and it's a pleasure to always connect with students and talk about their journey.
Thank you so much, sir. Yes. Sir, firstly, what are the key factors that motivated you to join the educational sector?
Okay, so I believe that education is the foundation of life. If you have a good education and then you work well, you can have a good, happy, fulfilling life, fulfilling career. And when a career is made, when a life is happy, when a person is happy, the family is also happy, and then it also helps in the nation building. So a good educated youth can contribute immensely in nation building. And I have stayed in hostel throughout my life. Even my schooling days, I was in hostel. And since the hostel is very much connected with the school, so I have seen the education sector very closely, and I believe that there's a lot of gap which can be filled. And I wanted to do something in education sector. But after my engineering, I worked with Taj Group as a HVAC engineer, and there I realized my job was not creating that kind of an impact. It was fulfilling monetarily, but the impact which I wanted to create was not happening. So after my MBA, I pursued the test prep segment, and from there I feel that whatever I do on a daily basis, it contributes in building careers and ensuring that people succeed with flying colors.
Oh, that's really great. Yes. So, yeah, being the COO at Mindworks, what is your philosophy of leadership? How would you describe your leadership style?
Yeah, so I believe in democratic system and in participative leadership. So whenever we discuss something, whenever we try to finalize a project or a marketing campaign or any issue, we take input from all the team members, finalize, discuss, debate the pros and cons, and then we stick to one action plan, one agenda. And then after that, everybody has to single-mindedly with that focus, with full focus, work towards that agenda and ensure that it gets completed with success.
Oh, okay. Wow. Okay. Then, how will you strategize about the key programs and plans for the marketing and administration of your institute, that is Mindworks?
Okay, so basically the key programs which we have right now is the CAT, the flagship course is the CAT, and then we have a couple of other courses in the UG segment like VBA, CLAT, IPMAT. We also have GMAT, GRE for the foreign courses. So what the plan is, when we take up a course, we go ahead and give it sufficient time, maybe 6 months to 1 year, in ensuring that the entire curriculum is well designed and we produce results. So the single-minded focus is towards that project, towards that course, and then gradually we shift once it goes into an autopilot mode, wherein the teachers take in and the marketing process, sales process, academics is all seamlessly running. Then we define the next course of action. So that is regarding the key programs. And for the marketing campaigns, since our target audience base is in the age group of 20 to 30, so what we do is we leverage the social media channels and the social media digital marketing platforms like Google Ads, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Quora, YouTube. So all these platforms, the students are very engaged in that. So we use these channels to ensure our marketing campaigns reaches out to maximum students. And also we provide a lot of free content in the forms of videos, text, tests, various tests, and then PDF files, formula charts. So this also keeps the students engaged with us.
Oh, okay. Wow. Okay. Then continuing with your coaching style, how does your coaching style at Mindworks ensure the best development of the student so that they may be able to crack their respective exams, all the courses that you have offered, that you have just mentioned.
Okay, so at Mindworks we believe that every student is special and every student is unique. Their learning style varies a lot, so we cannot have a one size fits all model. So we have a self-paced program wherein a student can study at his or her self-pace with the live classes running parallelly. So you can decide on the module which you want based on your college, based on your work job requirements, and then complete at your own pace. But if we just leave it at that point, the student might not be disciplined and might, whenever he or she gets stuck, they might get lost. So the faculty members are available 24/7 to clear any kind of doubts they might have. We have Telegram groups, batch-wise Telegram groups, WhatsApp groups, wherein the students can post their queries, doubts, and then the teachers, the interns, the senior students who have joined maybe 6 months back, they have done that part, so it becomes a revision for them. So somebody or the other answers it, and the seamless learning happens throughout the day and night. So that is one aspect. Second aspect, if a student is stuck because of say professional problem, personal problem, or academic problem, the numbers of the faculty members are also shared. The numbers, the email IDs, so they can text them, WhatsApp them, call them if required, and then discuss their queries. So we ensure that the student should not be stuck with a problem for a longer duration. The highs and lows will happen whenever you are preparing for a competitive exam. There will be times when you will be feeling low, demotivated. But the good part is that you should we create a ecosystem wherein you come out of it ASAP, and then go with a stronger motivation.
Oh, yeah. Okay, got it. So what do you think are your roles and responsibilities to the institute and the students as well?
So the primary responsibility is to ensure that every student reaches the maximum potential, achieves the result which is to the best of his her capabilities, and in doing so, we have to ensure that all my team members, all the faculty members, follow the process which we have laid out, and they basically ensure that whatever is decided should be done seamlessly. There should be no obstacles. If there is a problem, we try to solve it ASAP. So both the roles are to be done in tandem. If we don't follow the process, results will not come, right? So we ensure a healthy balance among the two, and we ensure that we give the best quality services, best quality teaching to all our students.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So coming back to your institute, what do you think should be Mindworks' top priority over the next 10 years?
Okay, so we discuss about this in our internal team meetings, and the priority which we have right now is to definitely scale up the CAT program, teach as many students as possible, and then add multiple courses. So right now we have CAT, GMAT, GRE in the PG segment, and in the UG segment we have BBA, CLAT, IPMAT. We also plan to go into GATE, the engineering courses, and then into IIT JEE, also UPSC, and then maybe Bank PSSC. So over the 10 years, we want to be teaching online, only in the online mode, and having the multiple courses.
But that's a very great ambition. So when you worked with Mindworks, what was your vision for the institute? How far along in implementing the vision are you?
Okay, so when we started, the vision was to be a credible player in the CAT segment, wherein we know for the results which we produce. And last 5-6 years, we have done that. And we were a credible player. We had an office in Connaught Place, Delhi, as an offline center. And we also had an online center, online course running. So we had gained that credibility. We had gained the trust of students. And we have definitely produced good results. Now, for the next 10 years, as I told you, we would want to add more courses, and we are halfway through. It's a long journey. We just need to ensure that every student who trusts us, who trusts our system, gets the desired result and succeeds in life.
Got it. Yes. So, what would you like people to know about your coaching institute that they may not know?
Okay, so at Mindworks, what we tell our students is, we believe that you are special, your learning needs are special, and we would not want to put you in a mold wherein you have to follow a set curriculum. It is very flexible. You something you might not understand maybe in 1 2 3 retakes. You can always reach out. There's a personal attention which is given to every student. All the faculty members are available for you, and then personal mentors are assigned to you. You can reach out to them whenever you are stuck. So that is the biggest part, which is not very easy to do, because catering to a huge audience student base is something it's not very easy. But we have a curriculum in which we solve your non-academic issues also, and we ensure that we are with you through the thick and thin. So whenever you get stuck, you can reach out to us.
Yeah. Okay. So what do you see is your institute's greatest strength?
So the tagline of Mindworks is great teachers, great content. So our faculty members are our greatest strength, and all the faculty members are from top B school, top IMs, and they have taught for they have teaching experience of around 15-20 years.
Oh.
And so that is the biggest strength, and the content designed by them, be in the form of tests, be in the form of assignments, or the study material, they are of top class. So you don't need to spend too much time finding out the right content. You get the best content at our place, and you get the best teachers at our place. So that is the strength.
Oh, okay. So coming to challenges, what do you feel are some of the biggest challenges you see, both for the higher education in general and then the coaching industry specifically?
Okay, so in the post-COVID world, most of the learning will happen online and will be self-paced. So the biggest challenge which I feel is for a student is to minimize the distraction, to avoid distraction, because when you study on a laptop, on a phone, you will get some notification in the form of email, in the form of Facebook chat, or Instagram post, whatever. So these distractions are not there in the classroom setup. But since the post-COVID world will be transformed, we as education platforms, we need to ensure that the distractions minimized. So maybe what we can have is, when a person is watching a video, it should automatically turn off all notifications. That kind of a plugin we should have. So things like these, which ensure that we should not leave it on the student to make it distraction free. The environment should be distraction free from our side also. We should do our bit. Also, constantly and consistently monitoring the progress of student, engaging one-to-one. If not one-to-one, then maybe in a group, and then trying to find out where they are stuck. Because in the offline mode, since you are seeing the students on a daily basis, you understand the highs and lows. But in the online virtual world, many times it won't be visible. So ensuring that we reach out to the student, ensure the progress, track the test marks and all, and the consistency is maintained from our side, that will be a biggest challenge. For higher education, the same challenge remains, to avoid distraction. How can you ensure that when the student is learning, he or she should not be distracted, should be fully focused? That has to be done.
Oh, okay. So yeah, it was great getting to know about the institute and everything. So I believe all our users who are coming to College Dunya will understand more about Mindworks and will engage more on the personal level, and great insight. So one last thing is, do you have any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
Okay, so the current youth and the aspiring students for any competitive exam, the most important factor according to me is consistency, because we all have gone through that age. We work hard, we work smart also. That is not a problem when we start. But then there are highs and lows in the journey. During the low time, when you don't get a good result in your mock, you tend to get into despair. You tend to get depressed. So you have to bounce back from there. So whenever you are stuck, just reach out to your mentors, to your friends. Try to come out of that lean patch ASAP. It should not be prolonged. So that is one thing. Consistency is important. You should study, even if you are studying for 2 hours, 3 hours a day, just ensure that you're doing it for 5-6 days a week. Break is important. If you try to study for say 6-8 hours and all 7 days a week, you will tire too soon, especially for an exam like CAT. For UPSC, for IIT, there will be different strategy, because They are a rigorous. The curriculum is rigorous there. But when we talk about the MBA prep, the CAT exam, you need consistency more. It's not a sprint; it's a marathon. So you have to be consistent. You have to ensure that you take the help of your friends, your mentors whenever you are stuck, and just take breaks. Take sufficient breaks. I think what we advise is that when you start early, say 6 to 8 months before CAT, you should take 2 days break. And when you reach the exam, last 1-2 months, at least 1 day break you should take, so that you freshen up and then work with the. And one last thing is you should have your goal in front of you, because when your eyes when you see the goal, you basically are motivated, and the highs and lows will not impact you. You will march consistently towards your dream. So have a goal, work consistently. Whenever you are stuck, take the help of your friends, peers, and take breaks. That would be my suggestion for the student community.
Oh, that's really great. Yes. So thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time. I believe that you have given really positive vibes to everyone who is preparing. Let it be CAT, let it be CLAT. And then you have shown how exactly Mindworks will help towards this goal. And so the vision of Mindworks also is in parallel with how students are wanting to crack CAT, especially after the COVID situation. So It's really great having you on our channel. Thank you so much for
Thank you. Thank you, Rigved. It was nice interacting with you and sharing our journey. I hope the students will get a lot of value. And I'm always available for any queries student might have. I normally share my email ID and number to the students, so they can reach out to me. And normally I reply to all the emails. So whenever a student is stuck, whether they are studying from us or not, we are always there to help them.
That's really great. Thank you so much again. Yes.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.